Solitaire Cash has a documented $300,000 total prize pool for its 2026 World Solitaire Championship, including a $150,000 prize for the winner. Giraffe uses a completely different reward model, so comparing the two by jackpot size alone can be misleading. By the end, you'll know which app actually offers the bigger potential prize and which one is designed more for smaller, regular rewards. First, Solitaire Cash is a skill-based competitive game. Papaya says players compete against real people using the same deck, layout, timing, and rules, with performance determining the result. The app offers free gem competitions as well as real money competitions where available. The biggest documented example is the World Solitaire Championship. The 2026 event had 400 players, a $300,000 total prize pool, and a $150,000 first place prize. Qualification started inside Solitaire Cash, with eligible players competing through in-app tournaments. That gives Solitaire Cash a clear advantage if your definition of a jackpot is a large headline-level competition prize. Giraffe works differently. It is a play-to-earn rewards app rather than a single competitive jackpot game. You earn gems by playing featured mobile games, reaching milestones, completing surveys, and participating in bonuses. Those gems can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or gift cards. Giraffe currently advertises a $0.20 minimum cash out and says it has paid out $3.80 million to players. Its official site also lists typical earning ranges for casual and active users, but those are ongoing rewards rather than one massive tournament jackpot. So if you're specifically looking for the bigger jackpot, Solitaire Cash wins based on the documented 2026 prize pool. Giraffe is better understood as a gradual rewards app where you accumulate smaller payouts from gameplay and other activities. There's another difference beginners should know. Solitaire Cash rewards your performance in competitive solitaire tournaments, while Giraffe rewards activity across other mobile games and surveys. That means your results depend on completely different things. For Solitaire Cash, check the tournament prize pool before entering, because the prize structure can change between competitions. Papaya also states that cash tournaments aren't available everywhere, so eligibility matters. For Giraffe, check the current game offers and redemption options before spending significant time playing. The simple takeaway is this: Solitaire Cash has the much larger documented jackpot potential, while Giraffe focuses on repeatable rewards rather than a single huge tournament prize. If you're choosing between them, decide whether you want competitive prize pools or steady play and earn rewards first. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 earning app comparisons.